This is the CoolPac19 EPS winter packing instructions. Place 1 Cool Gel 113 frozen on the bottom. Place 1 PE sheet on top of the gel. Place 1 Cool Gel 112 chilled on top of the PE sheet. Place 1 CoolPac19 EPS inner product carton on top of the gel. Place 4 Cool Gel 112 chilled around the product carton. Place 1 Cool Gel 112 chilled on top of the product carton. Place 1 PE sheet on top of the gel, and place 1 Cool Gel 113 frozen on top of the PE sheet. Place the product lid on and tape firmly.